Gonna be awesome.
Oh, it's fun for airplanes flying.
Kind of a lifelong dream for him. He worked at McDonnell Douglas, and
Oh wow!
his first solo flight, he landed at this airport. So
Really?
yeah.
Cool.
Graduated from Utah State in aeronautical engineering. Worked at McDonnell Douglas for 45 years.
So airplanes is in his blood.
Yeah.
How many? What did he fly?
Well, everything I know about it, he worked on the DC-9 all the way through to the MD-11. He was in commercial planes.
Well, you said he soloed those, so but I just.
Oh, J3 Cub.
Oh, cool.
Yep. 45 horsepower.
The other pilot maker.
Yeah. Yeah. All right. Here's Dad getting ready to take off. Hold on.
Clear prep. Clear.